What's going on, guys? I thought I'd give you guys a quick tour of this gorgeous Golden Eagle CJ7 we restored a couple years back. It was a full frame off restoration. Every nut and bolt was replaced on it. It currently, I think, has like 84 miles on it. For the power plant up front, it's got the 5-liter AMC 304 with the 3-speed manual transmission right behind it. This thing is just phenomenal. It drives great. It runs great. It's got plenty of power. I think they were crazy for putting V8s in these things, but I think it's super rad. If you guys notice, I guess some of you guys are CJ fans, this roll cage actually should be tilted forward and not back. So we had custom bikini top made. We had to buy 2 of them and get them sewn together. Other than that, we were just touching up a few things for one of our customers, getting it ready for the spring. So it's all dialed in and it's just a turnkey Jeep. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in it and take it for a test drive.